with, with.
Using something.
She hit him over the head with a tennis racket. Fix the two pieces together with glue.
Out. Out.
Out. Out.
Out. Out.
Used to refer to a period of time when someone goes away from home for a social activity.
He's out nearly every night. He's asked me out to the cinema next week.
Not in the place where you usually live or work, especially for a short time.
I came round to see you this morning, but you were out. Someone phoned for you while you were out. Between. Between.
Used to show the largest and smallest amount or level of something.
She weighs between 55 and 60 kilograms. The competition is open to children between 6 and 12 years of age.
Connecting two or more places, things, or people.
There is a regular train service between Glasgow and Edinburgh.
Separating two places or things.
The wall between East and West Berlin came down in 1989. The gap between the rich and the poor has increased dramatically over the past decade.
Comic. Comic.
A magazine with stories told in pictures.
As a boy, I used to love reading comics. A comic book. Musical. Musical. Music, musical, musician, musical, musically.
Related to music.
Musical instruments. Mozart's musical compositions include symphonies and operas.
Surf. Surf.
Surf. Surf. Surfing. Surf.
To look at information on the internet by moving from one page to another using electronic links.
Are you working or just surfing?
Line. Line.
Line. Line.
A long, thin mark.
A straight line. Sign your name on the dotted line. Idea. Idea.
A suggestion or plan.
A bad or brilliant or great or stupid idea. Let's go swimming. That's a good idea. If you have any ideas for what I could buy Jack, let me know.
Cloudy. Cloudy.
Cloud, cloud, cloudy.
When it is cloudy, there are clouds in the sky.
This morning was lovely, but it's quite cloudy out there now.
Sausage. Sausage.
A mixture of meat and spices pressed into a long tube.
Fried or grilled sausages. Sliced garlic sausage.
South. South.
south, south,
south, south, southern, south, south,
The direction which goes towards the part of the Earth below the equator, opposite to the north, or the part of an area or country which is in this direction.
The points of the compass are north, south, east and west. The best beaches are in the south of the island. We usually spend our holidays in the south of France.
The part of an area that is further towards the south than the rest.
We live in the south of the city.
In or forming the south part of something.
South Africa. The South China Sea. These plants grow well on a south-facing wall.
Towards the south.
The Mississippi River flows south. They drove south towards the coast. Handbag. Handbag.
A small bag for money, keys, makeup, etc. carried especially by women.
I left my handbag on the train.
lucky, lucky,
Luck, lucky, unlucky, luckily.
Having good things happen to you by chance.
I'm going on holiday. Lucky you. The lucky winner will be able to choose from 3 different holidays. They're lucky to have such a nice office to work in.
toothache, toothache,
Pain in one or more of your teeth.
Have you got toothache?
box, box,
box, box,
A small square on a page that gives you information or where you write information.
Choose an adjective from the box to complete each sentence. If you would like more information, tick this box.